I know I never told you this, but my grandparents got married here. My parents got married here. I figured maybe one day, me and you get married here too. Right?
I'm I'm sorry. I really don't think this is working out.
What?
Yeah. It's it's over.
Seriously? But, but we're at a gazebo. We're at the gazebo!
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come with you to talk again. Because a vision that was slowly creeping left the seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain will remain within the sounds of silence. It's gonna be all right, man.
Thanks for being there for me.
Hey, that's what friends are for. Cause if you threw a party and invited everyone you knew, you would see the biggest gift will be from me, and the card attached would say,
Thank you for being a friend.
Friends! They get you high when you're sad, or when you're happy, or when you're feeling regular. Really, any excuse to smoke weed together.
How long we gonna hold it like this, man?
I don't know how long the voiceover is gonna take, man.
Friends!